Today's video from Sharp Help, we're looking at receipt printing problems on the XE-A213 register. In particular, we're looking at the receipt printing blank. In my experience, if you're using the register, in fact any thermal printing cash register, not just the 213, if you've got your receipt on and the receipt is printing out, so paper is feeding through but the paper is printing blank, there are only three causes for this. Cause number one is that you've got the wrong paper loaded. So on the thermal printing cash registers, which are most cash registers these days, the 213 was one of the earliest ones to have it. Thermal printers are great, they're fast, they're silent, the print is usually really clear. So this is an example of what it should look like. But the only downside, and you don't need ink ribbons or ink cartridges or anything like that, so they're better from that respect. The only downside to them is that the paper you use, you can't use old-fashioned till roll paper. So old till roll paper was effectively just normal paper that a drum printer or dot matrix printer would print onto. The new paper has to be thermal. You can't use old till roll paper. If you put old till rolls in, if they're the right size, which is one of the problems, they'll probably fit. So a lot of people would have had an old cash register and have 58mm till roll paper, and they haven't noticed that their new machine is 58mm thermal paper. So what's happening is the machine is accepting the paper, feeding it through, but nothing's printing on it because you've got the wrong paper loaded. The second reason, which is what's happening on this video, is you've got the right paper, so thermal till roll paper, loaded incorrectly. So thermal till roll paper has a shiny top coated thermal side which is heat sensitive. That's the side that the message burns onto, and then on the reverse it's slightly duller, a more matte finish because it has no chemicals on it to make it thermal and then heat sensitive. Because of this, obviously it's possible to load the paper the wrong way around. If you load it the wrong way around, the machine will still work, the paper feeds out, but you get no print on it. So that's what's happening on this occasion. I've got the roll loaded the wrong way around. So all I need to do, remove the print cover, gently push up the green platen arm here, and then take my paper out. You can see I've loaded it wrong because the paper's coming from over the top of the roll, which is incorrect. If I simply take the paper out, turn it upside down so that the paper is loading from the bottom of the till roll, so the shiny heat sensitive side is going over the thermal print head. Close the platen arm over, and I'll just pop the till roll back through the receipt slot, put the print cover back into place, and then when I start doing my next transaction I'm getting print on there. So the only other way, if this doesn't work for you, so you've checked you're not using old style non-thermal paper and that you're using thermal paper the correct way around, if it's still not working, then you have a problem with the thermal print head in the machine and you need to contact someone about that. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XE-A213 and other Sharp cash registers. You're welcome to subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.